peeled and deveined shrimp. I have about 20 pieces. And I'm gonna throw in my seasonings. I'll list this in the description. And give that a little mix. So they're evenly coated. And you're gonna saran wrap this and let this marinate for 30 minutes in the fridge. One fourth of a cup of reserved pasta water, fourth of a cup of the wine. I'll squeeze in 1 whole lemon, one tablespoon chicken bouillon. Now I'm gonna go in with some lemon zest and add in our noodles. Now I'm going to